My garage is a complete mess. I can't get anything done. I'm going to clean this mess up, build me some new workbenches, get organized, and start working on some stuff. Alright, I ended up building this off camera because, well, I didn't know what I was doing. I was having a heck of a time trying to get it together. It's still not perfect, but it'll do for what I need, I guess. Alright, this is a sped up video of me getting started on the work. Just wanted to let you know that I in no way designed this workbench myself. I was going through YouTube searching for ideas and came across a channel by the name of Big Logan. He happened to be building a workbench for a friend of his, I believe it was in the video, and that friend had a very similar design of a garage that I have, meaning that there is a garage door that leads into the house dead center in the middle of the garage, and I knew I wanted workbenches on either side of that. including a shelf on at least one side to start the bench off, which is exactly what they did in their video. This is mainly built out of 2x4s. I did use 1x2s on the very top portion where the actual workbench sits. You'll see that later in the videos. But man, look at me go. Wish I could work that fast all the time. Anyways, I'll shut up, let you guys watch a little bit of this video. Thank you.
A good feeling in your heart. And change what you had.
Oh yeah. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I understand that I'm new to this. I'm not used to filming myself while I'm working, so I missed a lot of stuff. I apologize for that. I will get better at this, including doing more speaking during the making of the videos and what I'm doing. I hope you enjoyed this first video. Part 2 should be coming here pretty soon. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Bye.